Have you seen this graphic before? What is up, you guys? I'm Erin, the content specialist here at Cascade AIDS Project, and I'm here today to teach you about the silence equals death graphic. In 1986, in the midst of the AIDS crisis, a group of 6 gay men came together in New York City to create a powerful symbol of resistance and awareness. That is the iconic silence equals death poster. This poster wasn't just a design, it was a protest. The pink triangle is a symbol directly tied to the Holocaust, where Nazi concentration camps forced homosexual men to wear pink triangles to identify them. And in the AIDS activism movement, the silence equals death poster predominantly featured a pink triangle to draw a parallel between the silence surrounding the AIDS crisis and the persecution of homosexuals during the Holocaust, urging action against the epidemic by reclaiming the historical negative symbol, essentially saying that ignoring the AIDS crisis was akin to allowing persecution of homosexuals to continue. The only difference is that in the silence equals death poster, the pink triangle is facing upwards instead of downwards. This signifies a reclamation of the symbol by the LGBTQ+ community to fight against the silence and inaction surrounding the AIDS crisis. What it's essentially saying is that we will not be silenced and ignored like those who are persecuted in the past. So why was there inaction in the government? Obviously, stigma and homophobia, which was rampant in the early 80s. AIDS was initially labeled a gay disease, leading to widespread societal apathy. It would be almost 6 years after the disease was initially discovered that Reagan would actually speak out on it. The Reagan administration was framing its inaction around moral objections to the LGBTQ+ community. As a result, it neglected to allocate necessary resources for research and healthcare, which only exacerbated the public health emergency. And also, there were systemic inequities. Lack of representation and advocacy within public health and policy also further deepened the crisis. The Silence Equals Death poster became a rallying cry for ACT UP, which is an acronym for AIDS Coalition to Unleash Power, which was formed in 1987. It symbolized resistance, unity, and the fight against oppression. Messages that still resonate today. I myself cannot walk through this office without seeing that poster everywhere. And it's also still necessary in the fight against stigma around HIV and AIDS. Silence does equal death. The call for visibility and action remains as urgent as ever. And it's through breaking that silence that we can ensure that we end the stigma. Here at Cascade AIDS Project, we offer free testing for all. I'll say that in every one of these videos if I can. Make sure to check our website to see our hours of operation. Also check out Prism Health, where we provide free and fast screening for HIV and other STIs. Bye!